Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, probably you're fine. I pray for your safety and security. Because of Corona COVID 19, we are very much disrupted and we cannot contact with you. Yet, we have to continue our activities, and at the same time, you have to continue your studies because life is unbridled. Okay? So, dear students, today I will take a class on the topic flashback. Okay? Lesson 3, Unit 7. Okay. So, dear students, before starting the lesson, we have to notice some guiding questions. Okay. Here, read the statements below and from appropriate questions for each statement. Okay. এখানে বলছে নিচের বিবৃতিগুলো পড়ো এবং প্রত্যেকটি বিবৃতির জন্য উপযুক্ত প্রশ্ন তৈরি করতে হবে। And in the section C, we have a listening test. I will play an audio CD, okay? And you will try to understand. Actually, you have to complete the section C. Okay, dear students, before starting the class, also you have to notice some keywords, okay? Here in the page, flashback. What is the meaning of flashback? ফিরে দেখা, okay? বা পিছন ফিরে দেখা. On this passage, we have some keywords. Word meaning, English meaning, and synonym, antonym, okay? Ancestor. What is the meaning of ancestor? The Bengali meaning of the word ancestor is potrik. Okay? The English meaning of this word inherited from ancestor. Okay? And synonym parental. There is not antonym of this word. Photographer. Next on photographer. Alok Chitri. A person who takes photograph. Okay? That means cameraman. Appreciate. What is the Bengali meaning of this word? মূল্যায়ন বা সমাদর করা. To recognize and enjoy the good qualities of something. This is the English meaning of this word appreciate. Okay. The synonym of this word is admire, applaud, praise. That means প্রশংসা করা. Okay. And antonym of this word appreciate is criticize and disrespect. Okay. That means সমালোচনা করা এবং অশ্রদ্ধা করা. Okay. Next one, utter. Utter means উচ্চারণ করা. Utter means উচ্চারণ করা. And the English meaning is say something. Okay. Synonym speak, tell. Keep quiet. Antonym keep quiet. Okay. Spellbound. What is the meaning of this word? মন্ত্রমুগ্ধ. Hold. The English meaning of this word is hold the complete attention of magic. Okay. And synonym of this word is enchanted. Antonym bored. Okay. And festival. What is the meaning of festival? Utsav. Celebration of special event. Okay. And the synonym of this word is gala, feast, feast day, fete, and faista. Okay. So dear students, first of all, you have to take a khata and you have to write down these words and their meaning, antonym and synonym. Okay. Also, you have to use these words in a sentence. You will try to make sentences by using these words. Okay. So my dear student, now we have to go to text. Flashback. First of all, we have to read out the passage loudly because actually in the secondary level reading is always silent, but in this disastrous condition we have to adopt the another ways to continue our class. Okay, so I'll read out the passage loudly and you will try to understand the subject matter, also the meaning of the sentences, etc. Okay. Partho Pratim Majumdar was born in 1954 in Pabna to a family of artists. Okay. পার্থ প্রতিম মজুমদার জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন 1954 সালে পাবনায় এক শিল্পী পরিবারে। Okay. He spent most of his early years in his big ancestral home situated in a small locality known as Kalachandrapada. Okay. তার জীবনের প্রথম দিকে spent most of his early years, তার জীবনের প্রথম দিকের বছরগুলো বেশিরভাগ কাটিয়েছেন তার পূর্বপুরুষদের বিরাট বাড়িতে, যেটা কালাচাঁদপাড়া নামক এক ছোট্ট জনপদে অবস্থিত। ওকে, লোকালিটি known as Kalachandpara. Okay, at the time Kalachandpara was well known for its cultural activities. সে সময়ে কালাচাঁদপাড়া সাংস্কৃতিক কর্মকাণ্ডের জন্য সুপরিচিত ছিল। ওকে, there were festivals and various types of cultural shows around the year. Okay, অর্থাৎ যার অর্থ সেখানে সারা বছর ধরে উৎসব এবং বিভিন্ন প্রকারের সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান হতো। Majumdar's father, a photographer by profession, was an art lover. মজুমদারের পিতা, যিনি কিনা পেশায় একজন আলোকচিত্রগ্রাহক, একজন শিল্পপ্রেমী ছিলেন। ওকে, he taught and inspired his son to appreciate different forms of art. বিভিন্ন ধরনের শিল্পকে সঠিকভাবে মূল্যায়ন করতে তিনি তার ছেলেকে শিক্ষা দিয়েছেন এবং উৎসাহিত করেছেন। ওকে, মজুমদার went to live with his aunt in Chandernagar, 30 kilometers away from Kolkata in 1966. মজুমদার 1966 সালে তার মাসির সাথে বাস করার জন্য চন্দরনগর যান, যেটা কলকাতা থেকে 30 কিলোমিটার দূরে অবস্থিত। ওকে, it was there that the first came across a mime artist named যোগেশ দত্ত। সেখানেই তিনি প্রথম যোগেশ দত্ত নামে একজন মূকাভিনয়, মাইমিং মিন্স মূকাভিনয়, অর্থাৎ মুখ দিয়ে এক ধরনের অভিনয় করে, এই জন্য এটাকে বলে মাইমিং। দ্যাট মিন্স দিস ইজ মাইমিং, মাইম মিন্স মূকাভিনয়। ওকে, the way Dotto narrated stories without uttering a single word left Mozumdar spellbound. অর্থাৎ দত্ত যেভাবে কোনো শব্দ উচ্চারণ না করে গল্প বর্ণনা করলেন তা মজুমদারকে মন্ত্রমুগ্ধ করে দেয়। Spellbound means মন্ত্রমুগ্ধ। ওকে, he took lessons on mime from Dotto in his mime academy in Kolkata from 1966 to 1972. তিনি 1966 থেকে 1972 সাল পর্যন্ত কলকাতায় দত্তের মূকাভিনয় একাডেমিতে দত্তের নিকট মূকাভিনয়ের প্রশিক্ষণ গ্রহণ করেন। ওকে, এখন দেখো ইন দ্য সেকশন এ অ্যান্ড বি, কলাম এ অ্যান্ড কলাম বি, Mozumdar was very much impressed when he saw Dotto's performance. Okay, মজুমদার খুবই অভিভূত হয়েছিলেন কখন? when he saw Dotto's performance, যখন তিনি দত্তের পরিবেশনা দেখেন। ওকে, and he has spent most of his childhood, ছেলেবেলার অধিকাংশ সময় সে কোথায় কাটান? in his own village. ওকে, তার নিজের গ্রামে। his father loved, তার পিতা ভালোবাসতেন। কি ভালোবাসতেন? loved art. ওকে, his father loved art. এখানে একটু মিস্টেক হয়েছে, এখানে দুইবার লেখা হয়েছে লাভড, এখানে লাভড লিখলে এখানে লেখার দরকার ছিল না, এটা মূলত হবে না, এটা ঠিক আছে। his father loved art. Okay, and number 4, the people of his locality. The people of his locality were culturally active. Okay, and number 5, his father made, তার পিতা শিখিয়েছিলেন। কি শিখিয়েছিলেন? him value all forms of art. That means তাকে সকল প্রকার শিল্পকে মূল্যায়ন করতে শিখিয়েছিলেন। ওকে, now dear students, in the section B we have to make question on the statements given below. Okay, number 1, the birthplace of Partho Pratim Majumdar is in Pabna. এই 1 থেকে নিয়ে 5 6 পর্যন্ত তোমাদের স্টেটমেন্টের উপরে প্রশ্ন করতে হবে, অর্থাৎ WH কোশ্চেন করতে হবে। এখানে দেখো ইন দ্য সেকশন বি তে বলছে রিড দ্য স্টেটমেন্টস বিলো অ্যান্ড ফর্ম অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট কোশ্চেনস ফর দ্য স্টেটমেন্ট। অর্থাৎ অবশ্য WH এর কথা বলেনি, অর্থাৎ এ দিয়ে আমাদের প্রশ্ন করতে হবে। তো বেশিরভাগই প্রশ্নের WH কোশ্চেন দিয়েই হবে। প্রথমটা কি হবে দেখো, তোমরা খাতায় লিখে নাও, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি। The birthplace of Partho Pratim Majumdar is in Pabna. তাহলে কোশ্চেনটা হবে where is the birthplace of Partho Pratim Majumdar? Again, where is the birthplace of Partho Pratim Majumdar? Okay, he was born in 1954. When was he born? কখন সে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিল? তার উত্তরটা হবে he was born in 1954. Okay, he belonged to a culturally enlightened family. So what kind of family did he belong to? What kind of family did he belong to? Okay, Majumdar's father inspired him to value art. Okay, what did Majumdar's father inspire him to do? Okay. His forefathers' home was in Kalachandrapada. Then what will be the question on this statement? Where was his forefathers' home? Where was his forefathers' home? Okay. And uh, lastly and finally, number 6, he spent his childhood enjoying different cultural activities. What will be the question on this statement? How did he spend his childhood? How did he spend his childhood? Okay. So dear students, now we have to listen the audio CD and we have to complete the section. See here this table. Okay. So now I will play an audio CD number listening test 5. Okay.
Listening text 5. Jogesh Mime Academy is in India, and it is the only mime academy there. In 1987, Partha Pratim Majumdar was awarded the Master of Mime Award by this academy. He was named as the Master of the World by the Journalists Association of Malaysia in the same year. In 2009, Majumdar was bestowed with the highest European honor for theatre, the Molière Award, followed by Munir Chaudhry Award. In 2010, Majumdar received the highest Bangladesh award, the Ekushe Padak, but Majumdar did not stop there. He went on working hard till he obtained the highest French honor ever to be bestowed upon a mime artist, Knight in Order of Arts and Humanities, in 2012. Really, he is the pride of Bangladesh as well as this subcontinent.
I will play the audio CD for better understanding. Okay, dear student, listen.
Jogesh Mime Academy is in India, and it is the only mime academy there. In 1987, Partha Pratim Majumdar was awarded the Master of Mime Award by this academy. He was named as the Master of the World by the Journalists Association of Malaysia in the same year. In 2009, Majumdar was bestowed with the highest European honor for theatre, the Molière Award, followed by Munir Chaudhry Award. In 2010, Majumdar received the highest Bangladesh award, the Ekushe Padak, but Majumdar did not stop there. He went on working hard till he obtained the highest French honor ever to be bestowed upon a mime artist, Knight in Order of Arts and Humanities, in 2012. Really, he is the pride of Bangladesh as well as this subcontinent.
Okay, my dear students, now I have to try to write down the answer of this table. Here you have to replace here years, and next achievement and from where. Okay. According to the listening text 5, you have to write down the answer of this table. First of all, you have to try yourselves. First of all, you have to try yourselves, then I will help you. No problem. Okay. So, dear students, now you have to take a khata and write down the answer. Okay. This is the years and this is the achievements and also from where. Okay. In 1987, achievement, Master of Mime. From where? Jogesh Datta's Mime Academy, India. Okay. And number 2, 1987, the same year, Master of World, the Journalist Association of Malaysia, and also the Journalist Association of Malaysia. Okay. Number 3, 2009, the Molière Award. Achievement, the Molière Award, Europe. From where? Europe. Okay. Number 4, 2009, the same year, Monir Chaudhary Award from Bangladesh. Okay. And 2010 একুশে পদক achievement একুশে পদক from Bangladesh. 2012 19 Order of Arts and Humanities from France. Okay, dear students, I have to pause the video and write down the information which are given. Okay, informations which are given. So write down all of you. I suggest the students of class 9 and 10, especially this class is for 10 and also the student of technical education 10. Okay, so dear students, no more today. Thank you very very much. See you again. Read that